Electric potential. To understand potential, let us take some examples. We know water flows from higher potential to lower potential. In case of electric current, yes, it also flows from higher potential to lower potential. In general, matter, energy, it flows from higher potential to lower potential. From this, what we can understand about the potential? Simply, potential is a term related to our level of potential energy at a point. If I take gravitational field, suppose I take Earth, at different heights, different gravitational potentials due to Earth will be there. Different gravitational potentials are nothing but potential energies at those points. Similarly, in electric field, if I take an electric field, if we consider different points in electric field, these points are also at different energy levels. If I want to bring a unit positive charge from infinite to this point, or if I want to move a charge from this point to infinity, I have to do some work. Why I have to do some work? Yes, it is bounded to the field with some energy. That level is nothing but potential at that point. The energy with which it is bounded to that field is potential energy at that point, and potential is nothing but potential energy per unit charge. This is an electric field. I am taking 2 points A and B. If I want to move a positive charge, unit positive charge, from infinite distance to this point B, I have to do some work against the field because I am moving positive charge. This is the field due to positive charge. So I have to do work against the field. The work done in bringing this unit positive charge from infinite distance to this point is nothing but potential at this point. That is, potential at a point is work done to bring the charge from infinite to this point divided by charge. Potential at a point is W by Q. This is equal to F into D divided by Q. If I take 2 points A and B in the field, if I want to move a unit positive charge from B to A, I have to do work against the field. If I want to move charge from A to B, yes, some work done is required. This is in the direction of field. The potential difference between these 2 points B and A, it is defined as work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point. Let us consider B is at an energy level VB. VB is the potential at B. VA is the potential at A. Then potential difference between B and A is VB minus VA is equal to work by charge. This work is the work done to move charge from B to A. This is a non-uniform electric field. Electric force or electric field are not constant, they are variable. In this field, to move a charge by a displacement dx, the work done, a small work done dw is F dot dx, and the total work done is integration of F dot dx from RB to RA. So, the potential difference between B and A can be written as VB minus VA. This is equal to integration of RB to RA F by Q into dx. F by Q is nothing but electric field intensity, where Q is unit positive charge. Now this is equal to integration of RB to RA E dot dx. This is potential difference between any 2 points in an electric field. Suppose if I consider this point B infinite distance, then potential at B is 0. Why it is 0? Yes, the effect of this field at infinity distance is 0. Therefore, VA, this is equal to minus integration of RB to RA E dot dx. This is the potential at this point, and this negative sign indicates we are doing the work against the field. that is electric potential at a point, is given by V equal to minus integration of E dot dx. The integration limits are infinity to R. And the potential difference between 2 points VB minus VA equal to integration of RB to RA E dot dx. If the field is uniform, simply we can write VB minus VA equal to E dot D. E is the electric field intensity, D is the distance between points B and A. Electric potential is scalar quantity. Electric field is vector field. Electric potential is a scalar field. We can write VB minus VA equal to integration of RB to RA E dot dx, or dou V equal to integration of RB to RA E dot dx, or we can write E equal to minus dou V by dou x. If this is E equal to minus dou V by dou x, this is for one dimension. If it is 3 dimensions, E is equal to minus delta V, that is E equal to minus I dou by dou x plus J dou by dou y plus K dou by dou z into V. That is, electric field intensity can be written as gradient of potential. This symbol is called gradient. Electric field intensity is the negative gradient of potential.